Today we're going to look at combining like terms. First thing I want you to think about is what operation does combine indicate. The word combine indicates that we need to add. We need to think about adding together things that are similar to each other. Now, when we're adding like terms, some things that I want you to think about are looking for same letters, looking for same exponents, and looking for numbers without letters. When we're talking about same letters, we are looking at an example like this. Or we are looking at we would be able to put our M's together, but not put the N together. Same exponents. What we would be looking at is this. You can see in this example that the exponent of 2k is all the same, so we would be able to combine those. Numbers without letters. We would be able to combine all three of these numbers together. Now let's look at some examples. Since both of these terms have a k and a number, I'm going to add them together. I have 6 plus 7. Now when I write my final answer, I must write a k. On my next example, I want to combine my numbers together. Now notice that I cannot add the 12R in with the numbers. So when I write my answer, it's going to be 12R, so I didn't have anything to combine. I have -8 plus -12 for a grand total of -20. So when I write my final answer, I'm going to do 12R minus, since my answer is -20, on this example, first thing I need to remember is that I do have a ghost number in this problem. My ghost number is 1. We know it's there, but we don't always see that number 1. Now I want to look for my letters that are the same, and I'm going to go ahead and combine them. So I have 1n plus 9n gives me 10n. Now I'm going to look at my numbers without letters. I have -10 and I have -3. -10 plus -3 gives me -13. So my final answer is going to be 10n minus 13. Notice that I do not combine my 10n and -13. They are not considered to be like terms. I'm going to start and find my terms with like letters. Then the ones with the same exponents. And then my numbers without letters. I'm going to go ahead and write down negative 4x squared. Since I do not have anything else to combine with it, I know that this is going to be part of my final answer. Then I have my negative 10x and my 2x, and I'm going to combine those. Negative 10 plus 2 equals negative 8. So I'm going to write down minus 8. And then finally, I will write down plus 3, since I did not have another term to combine with 3. Again, you will notice that nothing else has like terms, so my final answer is going to say like this. I cannot reduce or combine anything else any further.